Hi friends, so I want to show you how to create discount and coupon codes on Shopify for a lot of sellers who have asked me this question. So basically they just wanted to know like how to create discount coupon codes on Shopify. So I'll just take you through step by step and I'll create these discount codes on my shop and show you the same. So let's go. So before even starting with the discounting codes, I would like to tell more brief about what type of different what are the different type of discount codes on Shopify. So basically, there is one of the Shopify discount, which is a coupon code type of a discount, and the second type of Shopify discount, which is more of a automatic discount, which automatically gets applied when the products are added to the cart. So these are the two types of widely used discount codes on Shopify. Now this discount and coupon codes are like inbuilt in Shopify, so we don't have to add any apps for this. So I'll just show you, the stock version of discounts on Shopify. So this is like the discount, and there are two types of discount basically: discount codes and automatic discounts. So let's start with discount code first. Create a discount code. Now you need to give a name to your discount code. Let's say summer sale is your discount code. So this will be the code which will be used by your visitors or customers to you know I mean to apply this at their carts. So this is like the discount code, and then there are different types like percentage we can use, like fixed amount of discount we can use, like free shipping is also one of the offer we can provide, or buy X and get Y. So let's go with percentage for now. So let's say I'm giving 20% discount on all my products. I'll select is all my products. I don't want to select a specific product. If you want, you guys can select it from either specific collections or specific products. For now, because this is a test, I'll create all, and minimum requirements is none for now. You can select it, like if they are purchasing, let's say, two items, then only this can be implemented. That is also option, or minimum purchase amount is also one of the option. So now customer eligibility is for everyone. This increases the coupon usage, and usage limits is I'll keep it as limit to one user per customer. So one customer cannot use it twice with the same email ID and same details. So this is it. And then active date starts from today, and I'm going to set end date also. I don't want to run it till infinite time. And then you can just see all your details here, like available on online sale channel, 20% off for everyone, one use per channel. This is the summary of this coupon code, and you just need to save this discount code. Boom, that's done, and you have this discount code ready. Now what you can do is you can get a shareable type of a link out of this. So this is the link. So if you can just copy this link and share it with your customers, and they can use this coupon code to basically purchase the items on the store with this discount, whatever we have applied, like let's say 20%. So yeah, this is one of the thing. Now let's go to other type of discount, which is called as automatic discounts. Now in automatic discounts, these discounts are basically similar to discount codes, but here we will not get any discount codes as such. Automatically, whatever products we are selecting under this automatic discounts will get applied. I mean, the discount will get applied for them under the cart. So let's create one automatic discount, and let's say the name of this discount is 5% flat off. This is just for our reference. This will not be, I don't think this will be shown on the website, the percentage or fixed amount. Now let's say I'm giving 20 rupees off, or maybe in if it is in dollars, then whatever the amount comes to, that can change as per your global currency settings. I'm applying this to all products, and minimum purchase amount is not required. Set date, and I'm just selecting it for the weekend, and and then you can just see the summary, like 5% flat off available on all online sales channels. Let's say, yeah. So I think I made a small mistake here. So fixed amount, instead of 5% off, I can say 20 rupees 20 off. Yeah, rupees 20 off. So both these should match somewhere. So it is better for our validation. And then once this is done, you can just save this. Now automatically minimum, so I think, yeah, minimum, there is a minimum quantity of items required, which is 1, and yes, applied. So both my coupon codes are now active. So if you see, summer sale is also active, and automatic discounts are also active. So you can also use these discount codes to increase the visibility of your products and also get more sales on your Shopify store. If you like this video, please do not forget to subscribe and like. Also, you can just comment what type of other Shopify videos you guys like me to do, and I'll definitely try to do this type of videos. Also, there will be a link to one of the best web hosting providers, which I have chosen after a lot of research, and even I am trying to build a lot of websites on that same web store for many of my customers and clients, and it is working well. So if you guys want to check web hosting spaces, you can just click on the link in my description. Thanks for watching this video, and see you soon, guys. Thank you.